Welcome back children with a new video. Today we will continue with our chapter number 4, time. So let's start. Now children, our first question, write the time shown by the clock. What time is here in these two clocks that we have to write here. Okay, so look at here in first one, what's the time here? This hour hand is at 1 and this minute hand is at 3. So what's the time? Means how much minute is here? 15 minutes? 15 minutes? Yes. So if the minute hand is at 3, it means it is quarter past. And this hour hand has crossed 1. Then what's the time? How we will write? 1 dot 15 or quarter past 1. Quarter past 1. Okay? Because this minute hand, first it was at 12, then it moves from 12 to 3. Okay? That is what? It is quarter past 1. Okay? And this hour hand has crossed 1. So, we will write here 1. Okay? With these dots, we separate hours and minutes. Yes. So, here we will write hours. That is 1. And minutes, how much minute is there? When this minute hand is at 3. So, 15. Yes. 1, 15 or quarter past 1. Then next, look at here. This hour hand has crossed 4. So we will write here 4. Hour hand. Now, before these dots, we will write hour, and after these dots, we will write minute. So this hour hand has crossed 4. That is why we have written here 4 and minute hand. This minute hand is at 3. It means 3 5s are 15. 15 minutes. Yes. So, how much minute is there? 15. So, our time is 4:15 or in another way, what we can say? Quarter past 4. Quarter past 4. Okay. So, in this way, you have to do. Understood? Now, let's move to next question. Question number 2. Draw hands on the clock to show the time. You have to draw your hands to show these times. Okay? So, look at here. First one, 6:15. It means that our hand has crossed 6. So, where is 6? Here. So, not exactly at 6, little bit we have to cross this R. Here. Okay. And 15 minutes. Where is 15 minutes? 3 5s are 15. So, our minute hand should be at 3. This is our time. 6:15. Here the hour hand has crossed 6 and 15 minutes. Where is 15 minutes? At 3. Now look at here. B. 12:15. It means this hour hand has crossed 12. So where we will draw hour hand? Here, not exactly at 12. Okay, then 15 minutes. Where we have to show 15 minutes? At 3. Where is 3? Here. So, we will draw here our minute hand which is at 3. This is our time. Okay, here is minute, here is hour. After these two dots, minutes is there. Yes, so 12:15. How we will show 12:15? In this way. Little bit, this hour hand has crossed 12 and that minute hand is at 3. And this 12:15, we can Okay. Now children, our new topic is half past. Now look at here. If we divide a clock into two equal parts. Okay. So it is called half. Yes. This portion is called half. This portion is also called. When we divide a clock into two equal parts, each part is called half. Yes, but this first part is called half past. This half past is used for the first half. So this is called half past. Okay. So this half past is used for the first half. Okay. And children, if the minute hand is at 6, if the minute hand is at 6, it shows how much minutes? 30 minutes. Okay. How we calculate the minutes? We calculate the minutes by multiplying the number at the bigger marking by 5. Okay, so which number is here? 6 5s are 30. That is why 30 minutes is here. Okay. Now, if the minute hand is at 6, it shows 30 minutes and it is called half past. Okay. Because this minute hand, before the 6, it was there, and after this 12, it moves like this clockwise, and then it comes to 6. Yes. So half past. Okay. Half past. Because after 12 it moves to 6 and it completes half circle. Half circle, and for this first half, we will call half past. Yes. So that is why it is called half past. So here our time is, what time is there in this clock? 5. Why 5? Now look at here, 5:30. This shows hours according to time format, and this shows minutes. Before these two dots it shows hours, and after these two dots it shows minutes. Okay, so this hour hand has crossed 5. That is why we have written here 5. Okay, and this minute hand is at 6. It means 30 minutes. That is why we have written here 30. So our timing is 5:30. Or in another way, what we call half past 5. Half past 5. Why? Because this hour hand has crossed 5. It has crossed 5. Thus it is 5. That is why we have written here 5. Half past 5. So our timing is 5:30, or we can say that half past 5. Understood? Now children, question number 3. Write the time shown by the clocks. What time is here that we have to write? Okay. So look at here, first one. Our hand is between 1 and 2 and minute hand is at 6. What we have studied, children? How we calculate minutes? We calculate the minutes by multiplying the number at the markings by 5. Okay. So which number is here? 6. So we will multiply by 5. So 6 5s are 30. So this hour hand has crossed 1. So what we will write here? 1. Dots. Then this minute hand is pointing to 6. It means how much minute is here? 30 minutes. 6 5s are 30. So 1 dot 30. Or how we will write? In another way, when this minute hand is at 6, it is called half past. Okay. Our hand is read by bigger marking cross. Okay. So this our hand is crossed. This our hand has crossed 1. That is why we have written here 1. And this minute hand is at 6. It means 6 paisa 30 minutes. Okay. Here is 30 minutes. And in another way, what we have to write here, if the minute hand is at 6, it means it is called half past. Yes. So what we will write here? Half past 1. Because this our hand has crossed 1. So we will write here half past 1. So our time is 1:30 or half past 1. Understood? Now we will see next one. B. Now look at here children. Our hand is between 4 and 5. It means this our hand has crossed which number? Which bigger marking? 4. So we will write here 4. Okay. Then this minute hand is pointing to 6. This minute hand is at 6. So how we calculate the minutes? We calculate the minutes by multiplying the number at the bigger marking. Which number is here at the bigger marking? 6. So multiplying by 5. 6 5s are 30. So 4.30. Time is 4:30. Or in another way, how we will write? This our hand has crossed 4. So half past 4. In another way, how we will write? Half past 4. If the minute hand is at 6, it shows 30 minutes and it is called half past. Okay, and here this our hand has crossed 4. That is why we have written here 4. So time is 4:30 or half past 4. Understood? Now children, question number 4. Draw hands on the clocks to show the time. Here we have to draw the hands to show this timing. Okay, these timings are given. We have to draw only hands. Okay, so look at here. First one, the time is 5:30. The time is 5:30. So this 5 shows hours, and after these two dots, it shows minute, isn't it? Now, 5. Where we have to draw our hand? Here is 5. It means our hand has crossed which bigger marking? This 5. So our hand we will draw here. Okay, our hand is our smaller hand. Yes. Now this our hand has crossed 5. Okay, so we will not draw exactly at 5. We will not draw exactly pointing to 5. We will draw between 5 and 6 because it has crossed 5. Okay, then how much minute is here? 30. If the minute hand is at 6, it shows 30 minutes. Okay, so we will draw here a minute. Okay, here is 30 minutes. So 6 5s are 30. So we will draw like this. Okay, our time is 5:30 or we can say half past 5. Okay, now look at here next one. Our timing is 7:30. 7:30. So how we will draw? Look at here. This shows R and this 30 minutes. Okay, so where we have to draw our hand? Where we have to draw? This timing is 7:30. So our hand has crossed 7. Why? Because after 7 o'clock, 7:30 will be there. Okay, after 7 o'clock, then 7:15, then 7:30. Yes, so it means it has crossed. This our hand has crossed minute hand like this. Understood? Now children, our next topic is quarter to. What is quarter to? Children, look at here. If we divide this clock into 4 equal parts, yes. Now children, look at here. We have divided this clock into 4 equal parts, yes. So each part is called quarter, that we have learned already. Okay. This part is also called quarter. This part is also called quarter. Okay. And we have already learned what we call this first quarter. Quarter past, we have to use this first quarter. Yes, means each part is called quarter. When we divide this clock into 4 equal parts, so each part is called quarter, quarter, quarter and quarter. Okay, and quarter past is we have to use for first quarter. Okay, first quarter we have to use for quarter past. That we have already learned that if our hand is at 3, it means 15 minutes is there, or in another way we can say quarter past. Yes. Then this is our second quarter. This is third, and this one is fourth. So this fourth quarter. So quarter 2 is used for fourth quarter and quarter past is used for first quarter. Understood? Now children, look at here, quarter 2. How we will read this time? So, if the minute hand is at 9, if the minute hand is at 9, it shows how much minutes? 45. How does 45 minutes? How we calculate the minutes? We calculate the minutes by multiplying the number at the big margin. Which number is here? 9. Okay. So, we multiplying the number at the big margin by 5. So, 9 5s are 9 5s are 45. Yes, that is why here how much minute is here? 45 minutes. Okay. And this R hand has crossed 4. This R hand has crossed 4. That is why we have written here 4. Okay. So, if the minute hand is at 9, it shows 45 minutes. Okay. It shows 45 minutes and it is called quarter 2. It is called quarter 2. Okay. So, how we will write this time? How we will write this time? Time format, we will write here hours before these 2 dots, and after these 2 dots what we will write? Minutes. Yes, isn't it? This is our time format. Okay. So, the R hand has crossed 4. That is why we have written here 4 and this minute hand 9. So, there is 45 minutes. That is why we have written here 45. So, our timing is 4:45. Okay. And what we have learned that quarter 2. Why we will say quarter to 5? Now children, look at here. If we divide this clock into 4 equal parts, so this part is our fourth quarter. This part is our fourth quarter. Okay, this is fourth quarter and this one is first and this one is second. And this one is third. Okay. Children, we have learned already quarter past, that quarter past is used for the first quarter 5. Because after 4:45, the time will be 5 o'clock. Yes, because the hour hand has crossed 4. The hour hand has crossed 4 and it is about to reach 5. Is about to reach 5. After 4:45, the time will be 5 o'clock. Yes, that is why we have written here quarter to 5. So, in this quarter to, we will write timing 4:45 or quarter to 5. Understood? Now children, our question number 5. Write the time shown by the clocks. What time is here that we have to write? Okay. So, now children, look at here. Our hour hand is between 1 and 12. It means this hour hand has crossed 12. This hour hand has crossed 12. So we will write here 12. Okay, it shows hour and minutes. If the minute hand is at 9, it shows how much minutes? 45. 9 5s are 45. Yes. So we will write here 45. Our time is 12:45. Okay. Then in another way, how we will write this 12:45? This hour hand has crossed 12 and is about to reach 1. Yes. What we have learned already, that if the minute hand is at 9, it shows 45 minutes and it is called quarter to. And it is called quarter to. So we will write here quarter to. After 12:45, what time will be there? 1 o'clock. The hour hand has crossed 12 and is about to reach 1. So we will write here quarter to 1. Okay. Now look at here. B. This hour hand has crossed 5. Means after 5 o'clock, 5:10, 5:05, 5:10, 5:15, 5:20, 5:25, 5:30, 5:35, 5:40, 5:45. Yes. Then 5:10, 5:55, then 6 o'clock. Yes. It means this hour hand has crossed 5. So we will write here 5. Because what is our format? Time format? Hour and here minutes. Okay. So here before these dots we will write hours. Yes. Always we will write what? Hours. And after these two dots what we will write? What we will write? Minutes. So here that is why we have written here 5. Okay. The hour hand has crossed 5. Okay. Then minute hand. Which is our minute hand? This longer one. Yes. And it is pointing to 9. This minute hand is pointing to 9. It means 9 5s are 45. Yes. 45 minutes is here. Okay. If the minute hand is at 9, it shows 45 minutes or it is called quarter to. Okay. So, how much minute is here? 45. So, we will write 45. Timing is 5:45. Or, how we will write it another way? This hour hand has crossed 5 and about to reach 6. Means after 5:45, what time will be there? 6 o'clock. So, it is quarter to 6. Quarter to 6. Okay. After 5:45, 6 o'clock will be there. Means the hour hand has crossed 5 and about to reach 6. Understood? Now children, question number 6. Draw hands on the clocks to show the time. Okay. R hand. Okay, then minutes. How much minutes is there? 45. Okay, so where 45 minutes will be there? When the minute hand is at 9. It shows 45 minutes here. Okay, why? Because how we calculate the minutes? By multiplying the number by 5. Which number is here? 9. So 9 multiplied by 5 is equal to 45. So where we have to draw our longer hand, that is minute hand. Okay, here it is pointing to 9. Okay, so this is our 6:45. Yes, and how we will write in another way? This R hand has crossed 6 and about to reach 7. Yes, so how we will write this time in another way? Quarter to 7. Because it is about to reach 7. This R hand. Yes. So the R hand has crossed 6 and about to reach 7. That is why we have written here quarter to 7. Yes. Understood? Now look at here. Next. Here B. Here the time is 9:45. This shows R and this shows minutes. Okay, so where we have to draw R hand, it has crossed 9. So between 9 and 10, it has crossed 9. That R hand has crossed 9. So after 9, where is 9 here? So we will draw like this. Okay, then 45 minutes. Then 45 minutes. Okay, where we have to draw minute hand at 9. Okay, use 9 5s are 45. Here is 45 minutes. You have already learned. Okay, so our hand has crossed 9. That is why we have to draw between 9 and 10 because it has crossed 9. And this minute hand is pointing to 9 because when minute hand is at 9, it shows 45 minutes. Okay, and it is called quarter to. So 9:45, or tell me how we will write in another way, because it has crossed 9. The R hand has crossed 9 and is about to reach 10 and is about to reach 10. Yes, so we will write here quarter to 10. We will write here quarter to 10. Because children, this R hand has crossed 9 and is about to reach 10. Yes, that is why we have written here 10. So our time is 9:45 or quarter to 10. In this way, you have to draw hands on clock. Understood? Now children, it's time to go. We will meet in